Well, this one had everything going against it. It's an aluminum hood. It's vinyl wrapped. It has PPF on it. This dent was also extremely stretched right in the middle of this hood. Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me we have a really nice 2024 Tesla Model X. This aluminum hood had severe damage right in the center. This dent was stretched. We're repairing this damage using Paintless dent repair and saving this customer tons of time and cost. We're keeping this vehicle completely original. This damage came out fantastic using Paintless dent repair. And remember, if you have damage on your vehicle and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're conveniently located at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.